Mary Beth Gettens, Managing Attorney with Gettens Law.
Today's topic is what is work? Under the Fair Labor Standards Act, or wage and hour laws, workers are entitled to be paid for hours worked. But what is work? The answer can be tricky. Here are three examples from the Department of Labor fact sheet for healthcare industry. In the first example, a residential care facility pays its nurses an hourly rate. Sometimes the residential care facility is short-staffed and the nurses stay beyond their scheduled shift to work on patient charts. This results in the nurses working overtime. The director of nursing knows additional time is being worked, but believes no overtime is due because the nurses do not obtain prior authorization to work the additional hours as required by the company policy. Is this correct? No. The nurse must be paid time and a half for all hours worked, above 40 hours. Okay, here's the second example. An hourly paid registered nurse works at a nursing home which allows 30-minute meal breaks. Residents frequently interrupt her meal break with requests for assistance. Must she be paid for these frequent interrupted meal breaks? Yes. If employees' meal breaks are interrupted to the extent that the meal period is predominantly for the benefit of the employee must be paid for the full 30 minutes. Okay, here's the third example and the final example. A licensed practical nurse works at an assisted living facility which has a sister facility 20 miles away. There have been times that the LPN has been asked to fill in for someone at the other facility after she completes her shift at her normal work site. She takes 30 minutes to drive to the other facility. The travel time is not recorded on her timesheet. Is this a violation of the Fair Labor Standards Act? Yes. The travel time must be considered part of the work hours. As you can see from the above examples, determining what is work and is compensatable to employees can be difficult. Read our blog to hear about a wage and hour exemption change that is affecting health workers.
Again, this has been Mary Beth Gettens. I want to thank you for listening. Hopefully that's been helpful.